Okay, Shirley, this is the most current version I'm pushing out right now. Just so you could see everything. Hold on one second. So let's address each one of these one by one. First, the format. So let's go to the actual page now. We're going to send a single PDF. And I'm going to select the postcard you sent me. Alright, so now I've changed this a little bit so it doesn't look like it's a messed up form. The solution I did is this box right here cannot be on the actual form because of a password issue, which is I don't want to really get into. It's just it just can't be in there, otherwise it triggers another issue. So the workaround is I put both the username and password above this, which looks perfectly fine. Username and password still up front, and then you can set everything else. So hopefully that corrects your layout issue. I'm logging in with my password. I'm going to select a postcard 4.25 by 6, which is your settings. It's a single-sided postcard. Next day, full color, and we're going to just use basic settings on here. This should validate fine, so we're going to validate it. Okay, that went through, so we're going to close and use the template. I'm going to select a file for me now, which will go with just a standard one I've been using. Let's go first name or last name. Oops. First name, address, city, state, zip. Alright, so now we're going to process and verify. Everything went through okay on the process and verify. I'm going to view approve. And then this is just the nature of the beast for now, but I just put some smaller text on there, and hopefully that does it for now. In long-term solution, I'll try to get something that's a little bit better. But yeah, I just put this over here, and long-term solution, I'll try to make something else show up on there. But again, this is just so it works for your customers. The proof is doing nothing more but showing the pages that are included. So for that, it's in my opinion okay. But long-term, I'll try to get the address on the postcards too, and to show some more things. But right now, it's only coded for the letters. Let's go ahead and upload this. So it's uploading the PDF right now. It's uploading the address list, creating the job, submitting the job, and it's successful. So the job was successfully submitted, everything went through. So I think all your issues are working. If you're experiencing anything different than this, please let me know. But this is the most recent version I'm pushing out right now. Let me show you a real quick change in here. I think, so there's only certain things I could check for, which I try to build in most of those checks. But let's go with, we're going to upload a new mailing list. Process and verify. And now on this one, I'm actually going to change the template settings. This is something I can't really check for. I don't know all the different variations yet, but I'm going to change this to within 3 days. And now when I validate the template, it's still going to validate because based on what I can check, it's all good. But watch when I go and upload this. It's actually going to send to you guys because I don't do that validation, but we'll get an error on here. And the error is going to be that I don't have at least 1,000 counts. So it says, you can see it's popping everything back. So it'll say product option you require is a minimum 1,000 mail pieces. So it's working as it's intended. The 3-day required 1,000. I didn't know that was a check on there, but it's still, as you can see, throwing back all the errors to the user, which is kind of what we want. So take a look at this and let me know if there's any other changes. Thanks.